In this video, we will show you how to send money from the UK to Saudi Arabia. If you guys want to get started with Remitly, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the Remitly website. Select your country first by clicking the country on the top. Then select the receiver's country, Saudi Arabia. Click on the Get This Rate button and it will ask you to log in. Enter your credentials to log into your account. See more options and click Continue with Google to create a new one. Choose your account and continue to start signing in. Hit the Send Money button in the Exchange Rate section. Enter the amount you want to send and see what they will receive. Continue and select the option How do you want to send. Choose your delivery method, whether cash pickup or debit card. If you choose cash pickup, then select the option. Enter your recipient's name and click Continue. Add the city and region of the recipient and continue to enter the sender details. Make sure to enter the correct information and click Continue. Confirm your information and add the sender's address. Enter the postcode. If you don't know, then search for the UK postal code. Open the website and copy the postal code. Paste the code in the Remitly website and then continue. Enter the sender's phone number and continue to send money to Saudi Arabia. So that is how to send money from UK to Saudi Arabia. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Remitly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.